Cessna on my head with a spotlight coming across from the fireman's house. Flash, flash, flash. Wings, wings, wings. Wings, wings, wings. White, white, white. It's one of like 5 Cessnas very nearby. You see him pulsing around. Right, left, right, left. Looks like he's going up, like doing a stall with the nose up. Cessna crossing over the end of the street, both directions. I see a few in the fake copter pocket that never existed. Back to green flag racing. I would have uploaded all the videos. I thought I was done. Everyone's like, oh, we got a window.